Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to use a very handy tool called Freeze Panes. This feature keeps your headers or labels visible while you scroll through a large spreadsheet. Let's get started. Why use Freeze Panes? Here I have a simple spreadsheet. Now watch what happens when I scroll down. My headers disappear. And pretty quickly, I lose track of what each column means. This is only 30 rows of data, but imagine hundreds or even thousands. It becomes almost impossible to keep context. That's exactly where Freeze Panes saves the day. First, the classic way. First, decide what you want to freeze. In this case, I want row 1, my headers, to always stay visible. Click on the row just below the one you want to freeze. Here, I'll click on row 2. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click Freeze Panes, then choose Freeze Panes from the drop-down. It may not look like anything changed, but if I scroll down now, row 1 stays locked at the top. Perfect. Tip: you're not limited to just the first row. For example, if I want to freeze rows 1 through 17, I'd click on row 18, then go to Freeze Panes. Freeze Panes again. Now the first 17 rows are always visible. Next, the quicker way. Microsoft later made this even easier. Instead of selecting a row first, just go to View tab, Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row. That's it. Same result, fewer clicks. There's also an option to freeze the first column. This is useful when your spreadsheet extends far to the right. With this option, your first column always stays visible while you scroll across. And that's how to use Freeze Panes in Excel. Whether you use the classic way or the quick method, it helps keep your data clear and readable when working with large spreadsheets. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get notified when I post new Excel tips.